The Cocker Spaniel, with its soulful eyes and merry wagging tail, is a classic favorite. But beyond their charming appearance lies a breed with a fascinating history and some unique quirks. Here are 10 interesting and unique facts about Cocker Spaniels. 1. They're named for hunting woodcock. 2. Their wagging tail was a hunter's GPS. 3. American and English are totally different breeds. 4. They were once the same breed as Springer Spaniels. 5. A cocker was the first Disney character to kiss on screen. 6. They held the #1 spot as America's dog for 16 years straight. 7. Those long ears funnel sense while hunting. 8. They have a soft mouth to carry game without damage. 9. Their brains can be too big for their skulls, a real condition. 10. Their beautiful coat colors are a genetics masterpiece.